Welcome to FN Edit's YouTube channel. Today we are going to start course on CapCut Video Editor. In this video, we will show you how to download CapCut on your laptop. First method is download from Google using any browser. Open your browser and go to CapCut.com. Click on the first link to open the official website. Here you can see a number of options such as Edit Online or Download. You can download it for Windows as well as Mac. As soon as we click the Download for Windows button, it will either ask us where to save the setup file or download it directly to the Downloads folder on your PC. After downloading the setup, just run it from the location where it is saved. Now we will show you the second method to download CapCut. If you are on Windows, you can install it from Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store and search for CapCut. Click on this CapCut icon, and here you can see the interface of CapCut PC as well as the download button. You can just click on the install button and the download will begin. We have already installed it, as you can see the install button. In this method, we don't have to run the setup, rather CapCut will be installed automatically. Another method to use CapCut PC without downloading is to use the online version available on CapCut official website. In the next video, we'll start learning CapCut from the basics, step by step, in a beginner-friendly way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.